So we're coming up to our third coil fold now. Again, you can see the dough has spread. The bubbles on the surface are now bigger than before. So in we go. And as I go in, I can feel that the texture of the dough is now lighter and puffier. So we're coiling underneath as before. And so it's important to note how the dough feels through this process, because there is a danger of overproofing the dough, letting it go too long. And that's one of the hardest things to judge as a new baker. So this is the third coil fold now. You can see it's grown in size, so it's now nearly to the top of the bowl. So I'm going to let it rest for another 30 minutes and come back to it again.